Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज हम 6 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। Recently, which African country is going to start $10 billion Indian Ocean Port project with China? This African country is Tanzania. Who has built India's first indigenous drone defense dome, Indrajal? This has been developed by Green Robotics. It is a Hyderabad-based technology R&D firm which has designed and developed India's first indigenous drone. Which state government has started the SALT program? This program has been started by Andhra Pradesh, and SALT means supporting Andhra's learning transformation program, and this program has been started to transform foundational learning in government schools, for which the World Bank has approved a loan of $250 million. The country's first aquatic kingdom has been opened at which city's railway station? It has been opened at Bangalore. KSR railway station, Bangalore, becomes India's first railway station to have a freshwater movable tunnel aquarium. Which country's cricket team has overtaken India to become the first team in the world to lose the most ODI matches, that is 428 matches? This country is Sri Lanka. Who has become the first women swimmer of India to qualify in Tokyo Olympics? This women swimmer is Mana Patel, and she is the first female and third Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics. What is the rank of India in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? India's rank is 20th. When has the Indian Space Research Organization announced the launch of first unmanned Gaganyaan mission? It has been announced in December 2021. Who has become the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand recently? Pushkar Singh Dhami has become new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Who has recently become the youngest chess grandmaster in the world? Abhimanyu Mishra. He, at the age of 12 years, broke Sergei Karjakin's 19-year-old record. Recently, who has become the first Indian woman golfer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics? This is Aditi Ashok, and she is going to play second time for India in the Olympics. Recently, the name of Jhansi railway station of Uttar Pradesh has been changed, and it has been changed to Rani Lakshmi Bai railway station. Which poet has recently won the Kuvempu National Award? This poet is Rajendra Kishore Panda, and he is an Odia poet, and he has released 16 poetry collection and 1 novel. Recently, who got the golden visa to UAE? This is Mona Biswaswarup Mohanty. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank virtually launched Nipun Bharat on which date? This date is 5th July and the target is 2026 to 27. CM of which state has announced to give cash award to medal winner from state in Olympic Games recently? This announcement has been made by the CM of Jharkhand, Mr. Hemant Soren, and he has announced the amount of 2 crore rupees for gold medal winner, 1 crore rupees for silver medal winner, and 75 lakh rupees for bronze medal winner. India has achieved the highest ever merchandise export of how much amount in first quarter of current financial year? This amount is $95 billion. Government of which state is planning to establish health ATM to provide better health facilities to the people? This state is Uttar Pradesh. Banihal Kaziganj tunnel, which is in news, is located in which state or union territory? It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. INS Sarvekshak was launched in which year? It has been launched in the year 1999. It is an Indian Navy's hydrographic survey ship and this has completed survey action around the site of ill-fated MV Express Pearl on July 2nd and handed over the data to Sri Lankan authorities recently. USA Independence Day is observed on which date? It is observed on 4th July and it commemorates the passage of Declaration of Independence by Continental Congress in the year 1776 on the same day, that is July 4th. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोज़ और मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माई चैनल. थैंक यू.